Hi everyone, it is pleasure to share this class with you. My name is Wilfer Jales. I was born in the city of Cali. I live in the city of Cali. I am my third semester of law school. I study law because I analyze people well and to my family. I am single man and live in apartment and I love beautiful, nice year of daughter. I like English and it is important my career because it give me more competences in new lab. Currently English is important because it is new universal language of communication. The sport is practical is hiking and my free time with my daughter playing sport of watching movies. My expression of cool is improved to listening and pronunciation of English. Goodbye. Thank you very much.